Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the earliest work. Check iCloud storage and system status, because low storage or service issues stall transfers. Next, connect to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable for consistent throughput, and make sure large background apps are closed so uploads get full bandwidth. Pause Time Machine and any VPN or proxy, since they introduce latency and packet loss. Once done, open iCloud settings and force a manual sync for the first file group to kick off the accelerated pipeline. Once initial transfer starts, focus on smart ordering and resource limits to keep momentum. Prioritize essential folders and enable selective sync so only needed items upload now. This reduces contention. For very large videos or backups, compress or split files into smaller chunks so each transfer completes faster and retries cost less. Monitor network and CPU. Watch for throttling in Activity Monitor and set iCloud upload limits conservatively if available. Make sure your Mac or iOS device. To wrap up, verify that files show on iCloud. COM and on each device with correct timestamps. This confirms backend consistency. After that, re-enable Time Machine, VPN, and other paused services, then restart your device to let iCloud finalize metadata commits. If syncing stalls or shows errors, try signing out of iCloud and signing back in, reset network settings, or remove and re-add problem files. If issues persist, gather logs and contact Apple support for diagnostics. This resolves rare account or server-side problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.